So buying the parts kit to replace the guts in here did not work. So I got one of these. Even though I measured it, somebody's just a little bit off. I don't know how that happened. Alright. This one we're going to go for the Teflon tape. In the basement where this hooks up, it's actually screwed into there. So instead of using the inside, like we did on the other one, or I did on the other one, I'm going to take a break here to talk about that, I forgot what its name is, starts with C. Burns like fire, comes in a powder, chili peppers, chili powder, whatever that was that I bought a big old tub of to keep the rabbits away. Rabbit just walked on my porch there. So if we're back to here, should be much easier. Teflon tape, it is never easy to get this right, but the same way you're going to screw it in is the way you should wind up the tape. So that means I'm going to go this way. Let me see if I can picture that if I did it right. Okay, when I screw this in, there's my end. I'm going to turn it that way so the end keeps going there. There's the end, and the end goes that way. Always takes big visual effort for that to work for me. You're going to take this and this guy. I'm going to grab on the part that's metal, like so, after I get the threads started, and tighten this up so it faces down. Hopefully I didn't throw away those couple nails, and they're not bent too bad from being torn out of this one where I put the parts in and it did not work. Don't fall. How come you ended up? It's not that bad. Hopefully it fits. I'm about to find out. Well, I didn't bring the hammer. I didn't bring the knife. I have a bent nail. There we go. Let's keep the critters and bugs out. Good luck to you, Bob. Did not make it. Come on. Did not make it. Alright. Should have bought the longer one, huh? There's a way around this. I'm going to go downstairs, pull that pipe closer to this one. Get it started. And come back out. Alright, so there's good news. I did make it on the pipe down there, or I didn't, but it was just one was here and one was here. One was here and one was here. So it just took a little bit to line those up. And then the threads fought me. And then after that, everybody was good. I'm gonna like that. I got bent nails, but I don't care. I think the big thing here is don't hit the pipe. Ouch. Are we counting? Ooh, don't hit that either. Are we counting how many times I miss? It's the same old story. Right where the camera is where I should be. Don't hit the pipe. Alright, did we all place our bets? Get it involved. Turning off the handle. Here we go. I have a hose in the backyard. Yay! Stop dripping. Cool. Alright, I was gonna leave you guys hanging. I thought, you know what, that would be just cruel. I'm gonna put some around the nails here too. Just because we know the water from there can go inside. One last thing to check. That drip of water right there. Freaking A. Let me wipe that off and see if it's done. Unreal. I should have used some more Teflon tape. I should have done something. This is so sad. I'm gonna go outside, pull the nails out, and give it like another turn. I don't think I can fit a full turn on that. Well, I guess I could. It's kind of tight, but I'll give it a shot. Unreal. So, stuff happens. I just snapped the head of that nail, pull it all the way out, put some more Teflon tape on it. That was two. After all that, I am going to do the Teflon tape on the end of this. So let me go downstairs and get it started. Alright, let's see what happens. Can you see it? It's hard to see through this viewfinder. See any drips? I do not. Alright. I think this time I do it. It took me much longer than I thought. I have to come back later and check again. Make sure there's no drip. Gonna open it up, maybe that'll start a drip, maybe not. Alright, it says hose replaced, but we all know what I was talking about.